So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, exercise 16D, and the topic is probability tree. In this topic, we will know how to draw or how to sketch out the probability tree and how to find out the probability with the help of probability tree. Come to the topic. This is the example. A coin is tossed 3 times. A coin is tossed 3 times. So we will draw the first time, second time, and the third time. We need to find out, draw a tree diagram to illustrate the different results possible. Means we have to find out the sample space. Then find the probability of getting 3 heads. Then find the probability of getting at least 2 tails. Okay, now come to the tree. One coin. This is one coin. At one coin can be head, can be tail. Then again, this is one coin. At one coin can be head, can be tail. Then after, from here, the second time, head and tail. After that, third time, can be head, can be tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Okay, now what are the results? Head, 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 3 heads. Then head, head, tail. Then head, tail, head. Then head, tail, tail. After that, the results: tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, then tail, tail, head, and tail, tail, tail. These are the sample space or all the possible results. Now find the probability of getting 3 heads. How many totals there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So probability of 3 heads, this is the only value, so that will be 1 over 8. Find the probability of getting at least 2 tails. 2 tails, 1, 2, and 3. At least 2 tails mean can be more, but at least 2, so that will be included. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 over 8. 4 over 8 means 1 over 2. Okay, now another example. If you have 2 bags and in the 2 bags we have some balls, red and black. Probability of red is 1 over 5 and the probability of black is 4 over 5. So bag B, probability of red is 1 over 3 and the probability of black is 2 over 3. Like the same, 1 over 3 and 2 over 3. So what are the outcomes now? Outcomes are red red, red black, black red, and black black. These are the probabilities. These are the outcomes. Now we need the probability, we need to multiply. We have to multiply if we want to find out the probability of red red. Means if you draw the 2 balls from bag A and bag B, the both can be red. This is the probability of both can be red. 1 over 5 multiply 1 over 3. That will be 1 over 15. After that, if you need red black probability, 1 over 5 multiply 1 over 2. 1 over 5 multiply 1 over 2 over 3. That will be 2 over 15. So that the probability of red black. In this way the remaining. Okay, the same here, blue and red. These are the 2 colors, blue and red. The first pick and the second pick, these are the outcomes and that is the probability, the similar one like the before. Okay, now if we have 3 colors, black, white, and red, probabilities are given. So after that, at the second stage, B, black, white, and red. Then again on the second stage, black, white, and red. if you want to find out the probability of any combination from there, so need to multiply. For example, if we need to draw black black, so what will be the probability? 0.33 multiply 0.33. You can use the calculator to multiply. So find out the probability of black black and like the other same. Okay, come to the exercise now. Probability tree. Suppose we have two discs, a red one marked A and the one side B. We have two discs. The disc color is red. One side is A and one side is B. And the blue disc E and F. Tossing the red disc, the probability that we get A is 1/2. It is same like the coin. If you have the coin, one side is head and one side is tail. So you have the disc, red disc, one side is A and one side is B. So the probability of coming A is 1/2 and the probability of coming B is 1/2 on the red disc. And if you have another blue disc, so the probability of coming E and F will be 1/2 and 1/2. So you can check here, red disc, probability 1/2, probability 1/2. Blue disc, probability 1/2, probability 1/2. So in this way you can join this PA, and here you can also, if you do another event, so can be extended more. We complete the diagram by considering what the probabilities are. See here, probability of AB, red disk, and the blue disk, probability of EF, probability of EF joining. So now probability of A and E will be 1/2 multiply 1/2. Probability of A and F will be 1/2 1/2. Probability of B and E, probability of B and F. In this way you can find out the probabilities. So probability of B and F, see here, probability of B and F, this 1/2 and this 1/2. So that will be 1/4. The same situation here, two coins are tossed. Two coins are tossed, or the same one coin tossed two times. Similar, two coins are tossed one after the other. Find the probability that both coins show head. The first shows a tail and the second head. See, can be head, can be tail. After that, can be head, can be tail, can be head, can be tail. So these are the options. The first, both coins show head. These are head head. So probability 1/2 1/2. The first show tail and the second head. First tail and second head, 1/2 and that 1/2. Multiply, so that will be 1/4. In this way you can find out the questions. You should try to solve the questions. Only 4 questions you have, and that questions are easy, not difficult job. So try to do it. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.